well. And today we're opening this yellow mystery box. We're gonna open this one. Can I watch? Can I watch, Mommy? Okay. We got yellow. The minifig. Mommy, can I go sit? We're gonna open the next one. It's cyan. Let's open the next one. What is this thing? It looks really big. Yeah. It's the green action figure. It chops. And it has bendable arms. And it can sit. Kinda. This thing's so squishy. I think it's a stuffy. Let's see. Ooh. This thing's hard to open. Ooh. And I think this one's the most coolest. I think. But we have to see the next one.
A few moments later.
I'm putting it down so I don't cut myself. Here's the things. Okay, we got some scissors. Let's open this thing. Ooh. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, it's so squishy, Ezra. What is it? Maybe it's just stuffy, Ezra. Is that thing so squishy? Because maybe it's just stuffy. It's squishy. So open it. What is it? What is it, Ezra? What is it? I got an orange lookie. It's gonna sit right by my friend Blue. Booty sheet. Oh, and there's some things at the bottom. We got some stickers. It looks like, well, there might be tattoos. So, we got, let's look what we got. We got this one. And we got this one. And we got this one. Is that the pink? None of them are pink. Okay, everybody. That's all we got for today.